Today's video I'm going to be reacting to Chainsaw Man episode 11. Just one more after this one to the finale. Obviously I don't think we're anywhere close to get the gun devil. But let's see. I'm really curious about Aki and this new devil, future devil, to make a contract with. What are the terms going to be? I don't know. But before we get into the video, please subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed, because there's a lot of more new reactions coming and you don't want to miss them. So now let's go into the video. Oh! I wasn't expecting this. How about the... He looks like a noble. I mean, Aki, they just told you. If he likes you a bit, you know, maybe his terms are not going to be so horrible. So, I don't know. I mean, I know he just lost everyone, whatever, but this is big. You know? This is serious talking. I mean, his future is a bit shit. Okay. Really? Your future is shit. To reside. To reside. So he didn't. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but it didn't feel like he's taking the eye and making him, you know, half blind or something like that. You know, it's just like it just took pity on him. I was like, you are fucked. So you know what? Oh god. Okay, this one's still getting their butts kicked. Oh. But they did a scratch. Okay, so they, you know. I guess that's an improvement. Shoot. Oh god. He's the like. Okay, whatever. I don't give a damn. Oh, so he has a little heart.
今回の得意か襲撃、公安もバカじゃないだろう。お前、分かっていて見逃したな。
私も襲撃に遭いましたよ。
How did she knew about? Well, they said that these guys said that there's two other people who has a contract with the future devil. Is she one of them? Maybe that's why she has those eyes. Oh my god. Because that. Oh. Let's see if Aki eye changes. I don't know.
俺の飼い犬を殺そうと人間様の味方でいるうちは見逃してやるよ。
Wait, what? Wait.
うちはな。
What?
私も襲撃に遭いましたよ。
お前がどんな非道を尽くそうと俺の飼い犬を殺そうと人間様の味方でいるうちは見逃してやるよ。
An ally to humanity. So she's not human.
悪魔から一人でも多く人を救いたいだけです。
She's not human.
今回の作戦が成功すれば、四課の存在を積極的に報道することになってます。そうすれば、四課は今より動きやすくなって、より悪魔から人を救える。
嘘つき。
This guy is not an idiot. He's a drunk, but he's not an idiot. So okay, so she's not human.
それよりここに残るなら噛まれないように用心しな。
噛まれないように。何のことですか？
Bitten?
ここの下には秘密兵器がいる。
Oh my god!
借金を返せないクズどもで作ったゾンビ軍団だ。
ゾンビに噛まれた人間はゾンビになる。それで四課を終わらせる。
Shoot. Oh my god.
アキ君は銃の悪魔狙っとるって聞きました。本気で殺せるって思ってます？今回
His eye didn't change.
20人ほど殺したやつに君は負けてる。
Because I was thinking maybe, you know, because he resides on whatever, I wanted to see if Makima, that's why Makima has the weird eyes. Because the devil also had kind of like a weird eye. I wanted to see. I don't remember. But they were kind of like the same colors. I don't know if they were the same or not.
弱いくせに漫画の主人公みたいな目標を掲げて痛くてサボイボ立つわ。ほら。
These guys.
立ってへんわ。
What the heck? It doesn't have any, you know, because, you know, I'm sorry, I'm just thinking still about Makima, because he's not the first guy who was like, did you know about this? It was another guy in the station. He also asked her something like that. So that's what I was thinking. Maybe she has a contract with the future devil, because, you know, two persons already kind of like said, you knew about this, that it will happen. Why you didn't stop it? But if she's not human, can oh wait. But if she's not human, can she have contracts with devils? I mean, it's something about the future and also the power that she had. I don't know. I'm lost with Makima, to be honest. I'm like, what? Can you know, friends? I keep calling them friends. Not friend. Whatever you pronounce it, I don't know. Can they have contracts with devils or?
最後にこの言葉を送る。得意課にはまともな奴はいないから気をつけな。
東京でうちの若い奴らが勝手にドンパチやっちまったみてえでな。何でも答えさせてもらいますよ。私の指示じゃないことも分かってほしいからね。聞いた話によると、この沢渡って女が黒幕でな。この女を仲介にうちの若いやつが騙されて銃の悪魔と契約しちまったらしい。
契約の内容は
銃の悪魔に2万円を払う代わりに契約者は銃と弾がもらえるんだとよ。悪魔の世界も金が必要なんかな。
Really? They want money?
変わらないね。
組にいる銃の悪魔と契約している方の名前を
This is the first devil that I heard that it wants money instead of something, I don't know, years of your life or things like that.
すべてここに書いてもらいます。
おう、いいよ。 そんなこと知ってても告げ口バレたら組同士で戦争が起こっちゃうよ。バカだね。
国民の安全のためです。ご協力お願いします。
俺たち身内同士で潰し合ってみな。したらその間に外国マフィアが日本に入ってきちゃうんだ。デビルハンターが悪魔から人間を守っているように、俺たちヤクザも外国人から日本人を守ってるんだよ。デビルハンターは学のないバカが多いっつうからわからないのも当然かね。明日がねじゃ仲間は売れんよ。
これはお金じゃありません。ここにいる皆さんの父や母、おばあちゃん、おじいちゃん、兄弟、姉妹、恋人、奥さんの目です。
目？
What?
安心してください。
What?
公安には目を元通りにできる人がいます。ご協力していただけるのならその人を紹介します。
That's a pretty face.
あなたの言う必要悪というものは悪事を行う自分を正当化する言い訳です。その言い訳は社会に必要ない。必要な悪というのは常に国家が首輪をつけて支配しているものです。
I wonder what that is.
得意四課に任されている。
デンジは俺が殺す。
あまり熱くなるなよ。
I think he's gonna mess up because they just show us that he's still impulsive, and I will assume that now that Denji has been trained, he's not as impulsive. But I don't know.
俺は特訓したからよ。このもみあげマンぶっ殺してやるぜ。
特訓して頭も良くなったからの楽勝じゃ。
Never mind.
得意か全員をビルにぶち込む。
Full of zombies.
得意4課はほとんどの隊員が人外で構成されている。4課の誰かが街に逃げたらテロリストが暴れるよりも被害が大きくなる。今回お前たちにはテロリストではなく4課と交戦になった場合に備えて隊
Jesus.
員の特徴を説明しておく。
ゾンビゾンビ
What the heck? It's like a shark.
サメの魔人、
Wow.
川の中や地面、どんな場所でも泳ぐことができる。こいつは短い間なら悪魔の姿にもなれる。
Wow. Wait, who's that?
噛まれたからゾンビだと思った。
暴力の魔人。本来魔人になると悪魔の時よりも弱くなるが、こいつは魔人でも強すぎるから毒が出る仮面をつけさせている。何があってもこいつの仮面は取るな。
Wow.
そこのジョーちゃん、逃げた方がいいよ。人間が噛まれるとゾンビになっちゃうよ。なんだ、悪魔か。
That's a proper devil.
雲の悪魔。普段は人間のような形をしている。人の姿に近い悪魔は人に友好的だが、悪魔は悪魔だ。
I don't know. Like, this remind me because they said in some episode they said that friends have something weird on their head always. Well, I don't know if always, but they did say that, and we saw this shark one, which has it. The violence one, well, we haven't seen it because he has a mask on, so I don't know. But then this, what he just said, devils that appear human are usually friendly towards us, but a devil is still a devil. I'm thinking about Makima. Because she doesn't have anything weird on the head. So why would they say it's just some of them that has it? I think she's a freaking devil.
人に友好的だが悪魔は悪魔だ。感触で人を殺すぞ。
Okay.
天使の悪魔。こいつは特殊な悪魔で人に敵意はないが近づくな。触れると寿命を吸い取られるからな。
What the heck? Why is he Why is he using the sword? I hope it's not the cursed sword thing.
よく僕に近づけるね。触れられたら寿命短くなるのに。
布越しだったら大丈夫なんだろう。
いったった。
The angel devil.
ここは魔人たち。
The eyes of this one are not very
ヘビ女を探すぞ。
special.
当てはあんのかよ。ない。
I'm lost now. Maybe it's just designing things and I'm here overthinking everything. Is that Makima then? I guess. But what is it? Like there's something with her. Oh yeah, of course she did her thing, right? With the names, that's why she wanted the names. To do whatever she did last time. As he said, that I think that sentence was important. A devil is still a devil. Even though they're acting friendly, whatever. Wait, she made a... What? What? She made a contract with that... No. Or was it because of the snake? Why does she have...
君の右目は少し先の未来が見えるよ。
That's what I thought. It would be, you know... It would be cool if you can, you know... check the future a little bit. But how is he... how is she using the ghost? She shouldn't. Why? Wait. I don't know if she made a contract with the ghost. Or if... because the snake... It looks like the snake... I don't know if kill it will be the word. But... God damn it, no! Oh my god. I don't understand why she is using the ghost. Maybe in the next episode they will tell us. Oh, and I'm curious about these new people that we saw. The shark. You know, the shark looks cool. The angel devil. What the heck? They did say that the devils are stronger when with fear, right? I don't see an angel being really strong. I don't think many people fear angels. I don't know. Oh my god, I need to know more. This is getting super interesting. So I'm enjoying this so much. I guess the next episode is going to be a big battle. It's just one episode more till the finale, so let's see. Anyway, please drop a comment, let me know what you think, and let me remind you that if you're a member of this channel, among other perks, you will have early access to all my videos, and I also have Patreon where I upload the full unedited reactions, also with early access, and with any of those you will be helping me a lot so I can invest more time and create content for you guys. But if you cannot, it's fine, just please like, share, comment this video, and that will also help me a lot. So have a lovely rest of the day, and see you in the next video.